Do you want to create cloths in Blender? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to ModelCraftedHub, and let's create cloths in Blender. First, delete everything in your scene and add in plane. Scale it, then go into edit mode and subdivide it until there are many vertices. Then go make into object mode and bring the plane up. Add in sphere and scale it. Then click the sphere and add the collision modifier from the physics tab. Click the plane, go into the physics tab and add the cloth modifier. Scroll down and under collisions, click self collisions. Play the animation. We can make this cloth smooth if we go into the Modifiers tab and add the Subdivision Surface modifier. Cool. We are done with the animations. Now let's add some materials to it. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons and search Node Wrangler. Then go to the Shading tab and in the Materials panel, click Create. Click on the Principal block, press Ctrl-T, and add your images to apply on the material. I installed these materials from Ambient CG. Link in the description. And then we are done. If you want to see on how to render this, click on this video. Until then, bye.